This is the dishwasher I installed in my Fleetwood RV, and it's one of these SPTs. I think on Amazon they're about 400 bucks. You can find them used on Facebook Marketplace too, is where I got this one. And it fits in there pretty well. It fits in there below this cabinet. And I'll show you, sorry I didn't clean anything out under here, but you have to get this pipe with the adapter with this piece. So on this RV it did not have the dishwasher hookup. And then I put this adapter on it that goes down to this size. And these are where it comes out. And it sits right on the floor of this. I just had to reinforce this floor. And then I had to just cut it out. And then there are some, you can see in there, are some brackets. I ended up putting some brackets. There's one bracket. So I put these brackets that actually go to the front of the dishwasher where you open the door, and they actually screw right into the screws that are there. It fits in here pretty well. There's room for a little garbage can. That's the hot input line coming in with the shutoff. The shutoff actually glued open, but that was my fault. But at least it didn't glue closed. So let's have a shutoff in case you ever have a leak to your dishwasher. Normally you put a shutoff in there, so that's your hot water line. And then you have your in, and then your out, and the out just shoots out to here. And it takes about 8 place settings of dishes. It holds about that much, so it is really nice. I have that, and it does fit in here, and it just barely clears this door. So the door, put the paper towels in here, it closes and opens, so it does fit in these 99 Fleetwood Pace Aero is what I have, Ford chassis. I'm sure the Fleetwood Bounder would be the same. So this is pretty much that setup here. And it fits right in there. And then I reuse the old trim here. If you pull any trim off, you can just reuse that same color. And I did reinforce this just with some wood on the inside to make it more able to nail to. So you can nail the trim on there. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments box.